What environmental toxins affect sperm quality? Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine, where every part needs to work perfectly for fertility to happen. But environmental toxins can interfere with this delicate balance, especially affecting sperm health. Understanding which toxins are involved helps men take steps to protect their fertility and improve their chances of conception. One major group of harmful substances are endocrine disrupting chemicals. These chemicals interfere with hormones that regulate reproductive functions. For example, bisphenol A or BPA is found in plastics and food packaging. It mimics estrogen in the body and has been linked to lower sperm counts, reduced motility, and abnormal sperm shapes. Phthalates, used to make plastics flexible, are present in many personal care products and vinyl flooring. Exposure to phthalates has been associated with decreased sperm concentration and lower testosterone levels. Pesticides and herbicides used in agriculture can build up in the body over time, impairing sperm production and causing DNA damage. Even though polychlorinated biphenyls or PCBs are banned in many countries, they still linger in the environment and accumulate in human tissues, negatively affecting sperm quality. Heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and mercury also pose risks. They tend to gather in testicular tissue and disrupt normal sperm development. Air pollution is another significant factor. Studies show that exposure to pollutants like sulfur dioxide and particulate matter can harm sperm health. Air pollution has been linked to lower semen volume, fewer sperm, and more DNA damage. When men breathe in polluted air regularly, it can cause sperm to become less motile and more misshapen, making fertilization harder. Emerging research points to microplastics as a new threat. Tiny plastic particles, often found in drinking water, can enter the testicular tissue after just a short exposure. Over time, microplastics can cause inflammation in the testes, damage the blood-testis barrier, and reduce testosterone levels. Exposure to certain polymers used in nonstick cookware, like polytetrafluoroethylene, has also been linked to poorer sperm quality, including lower counts and motility. Environmental and occupational exposures also matter. Living near high-voltage power lines or industrial factories can be associated with reduced sperm concentration. Even everyday activities like prolonged computer use or exposure to certain household materials might influence sperm health, though more research is needed. These toxins harm sperm through various mechanisms. They can cause DNA fragmentation, which hampers fertilization and may affect embryo development. They also generate oxidative stress, damaging sperm cell membranes and mitochondria, the energy centers of the cell. This damage reduces sperm motility and overall quality. The timing of exposure is important too. Toxins can affect men from before birth through adulthood, with some effects only becoming evident when they try to conceive. For men worried about fertility, reducing exposure to these environmental toxins can be helpful. This might include choosing fresh, minimally packaged foods, avoiding plastics with known endocrine disruptors, and being mindful of air quality. If you work near industrial sites or use certain chemicals regularly, discussing these exposures with a healthcare provider is a good idea. Remember, individual responses vary, and reducing toxin exposure is just one part of maintaining healthy sperm. Always consult a medical professional for personalized advice. Protecting your reproductive health involves understanding these environmental factors and making informed choices to support your fertility journey.